So today is a chain maintenance day, and got gloves on because that thing can get pretty messy pretty fast. A few things that you will need is a chain brush cleaner, some good old kerosene to get the gunk out, and then of course some chain lube. That's the kind I like. Then we're gonna start spraying. Then kind of let it sit for a little bit. I like to move stuff around. You can see it gets messy pretty quickly. Let it soak so all the gunk comes out, all that nasty stuff gets out, cleans it up real nice. And then we're just gonna wipe it. You know, first wiping it with this. Often that's enough, but that's why I like using the brush. Every 500 miles usually when I do the maintenance. And yeah, so let's get going. See, that's what you want to get out of it. There's one tip. You can use the link here. It's got two different pins in there. So that's an indication when you actually do a full rotation. Don't be a knucklehead. Don't try to do a chain maintenance with the engine running. I know it's kind of intuitive, but some idiots must have done it, and that's the best way to chew a finger off. And then once we let it sit in, let's sit like that for another 15 minutes, making sure all the kerosene's dry. I'll do a final pass, clean it off, and then I'll start applying the chain lube. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to do a final pass. Kind of check how the thing clean is. Seeing that's pretty good. There's still some more that comes out of it, you know, so I think I'm gonna give it another 5-10 minutes. Keep repeating the process, making sure it's all nice and clean, because you want the kerosene out of the chain as much as you can, otherwise the lube is not going to be as effective. So once you're happy with the way it looks, start lubing. So I like keeping the wheel turning for a little while after I apply the first batch, just so the solvent evaporates. And it's allowing the lube to really soak in. Alright, I'm back to my chain link here. And then the final pass is going to be exterior of the plates. Alright, we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll just wipe it clean again. So yeah, I know some of you may say that it's now over lubricated, but you know, that's okay. All I have to do is wipe the excess off gently, especially where it's super gooey. Now because I didn't do that chain maintenance 1,000 miles, now I went a little bit excessive, but usually you can do a quick and dirty one every 500 miles. That's plenty.